Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan. Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a channel trailer just like you can see on my channel. So as you can see here, this is the channel trailer I've added. I'm not recording the music, maybe you can hear it through the mic. This is the channel trailer that I have added, but it's a long one, so I'm going to show you how you can add this in this video. So to do that, first make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video with fellow creators, and let's roll the intro. So alright guys, we are here on the channel screen, that's the main thing, and now you will have to go to the creator studio by clicking on this one, or you can directly click customize channel over here. Both the things will take you to the dashboard, and when you are here, the channel dashboard is different from the customize channel tab. So over here you can see all these things which you have actually placed on your home page, and when you are viewing it as yourself, and you can also see it as a returning subscriber, but in both the cases there is no channel trailer on the screen. So what you guys have to do is go back to the previous tab, and over here as you can see I have set up it in such a way such that whenever a subscriber comes, he is in the impression that this is a big channel, and he can see the most popular videos. So that's a trick. You just have to keep the popular videos on the top, and then the upload section, and then your playlist. So if someone is interested in a playlist, they can go ahead and check these out. So now talking about how you are going to place the channel trailer, you have two options over here for returning subscribers and for new visitors. Trailer is basically to introduce your channel to someone who has been here for the first time. So you will have to go to the for new visitors section, click on this. You will have to have the video ready, and you will have to upload it on YouTube by keeping the privacy on. When you click on upload and select some random file, I'll just select some random file. If I have, I'll just show you how to do that. When you start uploading, the video upload will start, and when you come to the visibility section after completing everything, you will have to keep it on unlisted over here. After keeping it on unlisted, I have to delete this upload later. I'll do that later. And first you will have to keep the video on unlisted, and you are not you should not make it private or public. You should keep it as unlisted itself for the lifetime. And for now you will have to come up over here, click on this pencil icon over here, click on that, click on change trailer or remove trailer. For if you are adding it for the first time, there will be just add a trailer or something like that. For me, let me click on change trailer, and you can select the video from your uploads. The videos which are private won't be seen. Unlisted and public videos can be seen on the screen. So you can click on this unlisted video, that is Technoxity. I just uploaded it as Technoxity, and then click on save, and your trailer will be there. So now when you have to check whether the things are saved properly, click on your channel, open your channel on YouTube, and just check out if the video is starting to play automatically whenever you open up the same tab. So this is how you set up a channel trailer, guys. If you guys like this video and found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with your fellow creators, and like this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos of such kind. And that's it. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.